I'm in my bedroom. We have a Gentex GX93 mini horn here on the ceiling. And there is a Kidde smoke detector on the wall. I'm going to be replacing that smoke detector for fun. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to do it for fun. I'm going to replace that. See, there's a mini horn on the ceiling over there. And then there's this smoke detector right here. I'm going to be replacing it. This is only being done for fun. But I'm going to replace it. This is what I took out. What's funny is that I'm swapping back because this is the alarm that my room came with. So now it's back up. And then on the other side, you have a mini horn, Gentex mini horn. See, this is just tied in to itself here. But then this right here is tied into my house's main system. So my house has a main system, if you guys didn't know. I'm sure there is a video of this horn sounding from a false alarm that happened in the kitchen, which every horn goes off. Versus this, which is just by itself. So the fire happens in this particular room, it'll just be this alarm that goes off. But if it happens downstairs, then every single one of those horns goes off. So that's how it works. The system of the mini horns wasn't quite complete last year, but now it all is complete. So there is these separate smoke alarms in each bedroom with mini horns as well. And I just swapped this one out for fun because I just wanted to do that, to have something different on the shelf now. So this will be going on the shelf, and that will be on the wall. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.